New channeling topics. Wave 8, Celestial Mechanics. 8th orbit of fresh themes for long-form channelings, 12-15K. Built with Arcturian philosophy, Buddhist insight, Christ consciousness, universal unity, NLP tools, biodecoding maps, and numerology keys. Emojis included. No questions inside the texts. Ask for any with Dame Uno plus number. Dia 169. Star-rooted discipline. Habits as orbits. Focus. Design daily cycles that keep destiny in stable resonance. Angles to weave. 139 momentum codes. Habit stacking. Sabbath buffers. 4-structure numerology. Repair windows. 170. Oxygen of honesty. Radical truth with tenderness. Focus. Speak clean truth while protecting dignity and access. Angles to weave. 4 gates of speech. Blue flame pacing. Apology plus repair. 5 freedom numerology. Mirror declarations. 171. Mirrorless creation. Art without validation loops. Focus. Create from inner authority, not external metrics. Angles to weave. Phone exile. Vow of completion. 11 inspiration numerology. Release rites. Celebration ledger. 172. Compassion logistics. Systems for kindness at scale. Focus. Operationalize care without burnout. Angles to weave. Care. SOPs. Refund grace. Triage matrix. 6 nurture numerology. Follow-up cadence. Discussion. 173. Lunar accounting. Rhythm of the moon in work and wealth. Focus. Align sprints, launches, and rests to lunar phases. Angles to weave. New moon seedings. Full moon closures. 2 partnership numerology. 8 stewardship loops. Afterglow. Daua 174. Micro retreats. 20-minute sanctuaries. Focus. Drop into clarity daily without disappearing from life. Angles to weave. Tea vigil. Breath bells. 7-minute stillness. 3 joy numerology. Altar notebook. 175. Anger transmutation. 2. Turn heat into direction. Focus. Convert irritation to boundaries and clean action. Angles to weave. Stomp breath cadence. Pillow press. Apology. Plus recontract. Number 1 leadership. Repair vow. Dumbra 176. Resonant pricing. Frequency-based tiers. Focus. Match price to capacity, impact, and consent. Angles to weave. Sliding scales. Scholarship codes. 8 reciprocity numerology. Value clarity map. Tithe experiment. 177. Ceremonial publishing. Books as temples. Focus. Compose and release texts as living altars. Angles to weave. Blessing pages. Witness circle. 22 builder numerology. Archive vault. Gratitude letters. 178. Blessings infrastructure. Pre-post ritual design. Focus. Build scaffolding that amplifies every offering. Angles to weave. Threshold rites. Afterglow packs. 9 closure numerology. Testimony ethics. Water blessing. 179. Aura ergonomics. Posture for field coherence. Focus. Shape body positions that stabilize presence and voice. Angles to weave. Soft belly stance. Jaw unhook. Gaze anchors. 7 coherence code. Sit-stand rituals. 180. Sovereign client selection. Fit before fanfare. Focus. Choose aligned clients and decline with grace. Angles to weave. Intake gates, scope vows, refund windows, 5 freedom numerology, referral sanctuaries. Deforasantu 181. Graced discipline. Mercy, palace consistency. Focus. Hold routines that forgive and still deliver. Angles to weave. Skip tax rules, weekly resets, 3 non-negotiables, 10 reset numerology, celebration tokens. 182. Name alchemy 2. Signature, destiny, and voice. Focus. Upgrade identity through letter-number harmonics. Angles to weave. 11-22-33 maps, pen rituals, signing ceremony, renaming ethics, mirror mantras. Dharma 183. Blueprints for teens. Boundaries with love. Focus. Household sovereignty for adolescent growth. Angles to weave. Consent gates, repair circles, screen hygiene, 6-care numerology, celebration board. Lapiu. 184. Entanglement hygiene. Unhook from past bonds. Focus. Recover scattered power from X-rolls and ties. Angles to weave. Chord rewrite, object return right, name reclamation, 9 closure numerology, water bowl discharge. Nasho. 185. Compassionate security. Safe events, open hearts. Focus. Protect gatherings without paranoia. Angles to weave. Entry vows, space sweep, de-escalation scripts. 4 structure numerology, post-event debrief. 186. Consent-led launches. Journey mapping. Focus. Design buyer paths with clarity and care. Angles to weave. Opt-in ethics, scope windows, refund grace, 8 stewardship numerology, afterglow integration. 187. Devotional minimalism. The 33-item capsule. Focus. Reduce to radiate. Angles to weave. Donation ladder, altar essentials, 3 joy numerology, 9 closure code, gratitude ledger. 188. Prayerful debt strategy. Clean reduction plans. Focus. Pair spreadsheets with grace and dignity. Angles to weave. Snowball, snowflake hybrids, 8 reciprocity numerology, thank you notes, celebration checkpoints. 189. Sacred algorithms. Automations with consent. Focus. Let systems serve love, not trap attention. Angles to weave. Transparent triggers, opt-out blessings, 5 freedom numerology, audit ritual, repair paths. 190. Archive temples. Curating a digital legacy. Focus. Keep records as offerings for future hearts. Angles to weave. Naming conventions, 22 builder numerology, witness vaults, memorial pages, release rites. 191. Rituals of return. Coming back clean. Focus. Re-enter home and work after travel or deep dives. Angles to weave. Doorframe breath, salt shower, calendar reset, 7 coherence code, gratitude walk. 192. The golden thread, purpose continuity across seasons. Focus. Keep mission signals strong through change. Angles to weave. North Star statement, quarterly vows, 1 to 3-9 momentum. Archive review, afterglow blessings. Usage note, request any item with Dame Uno plus number. Delivery in English with emojis, Arcturian Buddhist Christ consciousness, unity wisdom, PNL tools, biodecoding frames, numerology keys, real-life stories, techniques, and simple rituals.